What's up, everybody? Black Dragon Rider here. How you guys doing? It is November the 16th, and I'm out to go to the bank so I can put some money in, because it was my birthday last week, and my mum give me some money to buy the items that I want and also comfortable for when I'm riding Rex, and also sitting down. I'm getting some new pads because these pads I got is really uncomfortable when you're riding and also sitting down. And I'm going to be doing a review, so I will wait for the package to arrive, and when it's arrived I'll show you what it is, so stay tuned. Hi guys, well, today I got my package from Roadskins, and I have to say that I am really excited to get him. Got him. So here it is, the pad. It's not just one pad, I got two, just to let you know. Let me just get it. Two. And I have to say that I am very happy, so thank you guys there. Just to let you know that I am not getting paid to do this. I actually got this out of the money what my mother gave me for my birthday. Thank you, Mum. So here it is. It's nice and soft. You can bend it, you can twist it. And it just goes back to its original shape. Now, I actually met Roadskins in 2017. And when I first saw this pad, I knew what this was. I just don't know how, I just know that this pad was soft. But when it comes to impact, it's hard in itself. So it's freaking awesome. Ouch. Yes, I hit myself with it. But if you guys can see this video right now of the man just doing the same thing, abusing it, and that even especially with the hammer. I mean, crazy. He's doing it with the hammer. This product right here will protect you, but not just also protect you, it also as well be comfortable for your knees. And obviously we know about this. We know about this. This right here really hurts our knees. Yes, it gives us that protection for our knees if we come off on our motorcycle, but this, it freaking hurts. It really does hurt our knees, and especially like if we like sitting down on a chair or we're on for a long bike ride. This right here hurts our knees. Sometimes we have to like stand up, we have to like adjust this pad to make it comfortable for us to ride in. It's even worse when we like sitting down, like say in a cafe, where this piece of crap well, I guess I can say piece of crap to, well, to me it's like a piece of crap because it freaking hurts. It hurts really bad. And I just don't get why some manufacturers just never go for this. I think this is be like what? More cheaper than this? I don't know, but it hurts. It hurts a lot. And I had to get this. I mean, I know I had money problems and all that stuff, but I have to say again, thank you to my mom who got me this. Well, actually, she gave me the money to get the product. So, thank you so much, and it's freaking awesome. I mean, again, twisting it. It goes back to its original shape. It's freaking awesome. It's incredible. Now, you guys going to be asking is how much for two of these? Well, you only get both. You don't only get one. You get two. For how much for both of these? These cost £15 from Roadskins. As you guys can see on this list right now on your screen, there's the price right there. But it's not just, they don't just do these paddings. They do the shoulders, they do the back, they do the I think, was it thigh area, they do all that. So if you want to replace those Armour in your motorbike jacket or your motorbike jeans, Roadskins is the best place to get it. I have not used this yet. That's my hands up right now. I have not used these paddings yet. But what I'm going to do, I will do this video and then I will wait, I don't know, I'll say 2 months. 2 months, I'll make another video and give my thoughts on how comfortable this is. To me, by looking at it, it looks comfortable. But when it comes to products nowadays, looks can be deceiving. And we all know that. Looks can be deceiving. Yeah, so I'm giving this Roadskin a try. This is my first time replacing that padding that I just thrown, don't know how many minutes that was, and give this bad boy a try. So I'm going to fall in love with this. I'm actually going to fall in love with this. But yes, if you guys are interested to get this, the link is down in the description, the Roadskins. There is the website for it, so you guys can go and explore. But if you want just these products right here, then there will be another product for the knee pads, and it takes you straight to this product. But yeah, I'm going to end this video right here, guys. If you like this video, please smash that like button. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, and don't forget to share. Help me make this channel grow. I know that I've been doing so many motor vlogs and other stuff. I'm actually struggling, but I will not be struggling for much longer, because there is going to be a change, and you will find out maybe, I'll say, a couple of months. So again, guys, thank you guys for watching. My name is Black Dragon Rider, and I see you go all in the next one. Bye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come.